Hey guys, I'm Jake from Lil Jake, and we're just down here at FitMy4WD in Adelaide getting some work done on the Ranger. So things we're going to be doing are an off-road animal predator bar, tough dog suspension, Yokohama tyres, and of course we're going to be fitting the Lightforce lights to it. So the reason we're down here is because FitMy4WD is probably the best off-road shop in Adelaide. I highly recommend coming here. It's great service, friendly people, and just a real good time. So let's get into the build. So today guys, we'll be installing this off-road animal bar, and the perfect light bar to sit inside this slot here is this Lightforce Viper 20-inch slimline light bar. When it's paired with these HTX2 spotties, this will be all the light you would ever need for driving those outback roads at night. Alrighty guys, today we're installing these rock lights in our Trojan canopy. So we've already got the inside lights sorted, but what I wanted was just to be able to throw light all around outside our campsite. So we're putting these lights up here in the canopy door. We're going to be chucking some underneath our bushwhacker awning here to point down. Just really light the campsite up. Okay guys, we've just finished the build in our Ranger thanks to FitMy4WD. We've just fitted this off-road animal bull bar with the Lightforce HTX2 lights and the 20-inch slimline Viper light bar. We've got new Yokohama tyres, tough dog GVM upgrade suspension, and then on the canopy we have these Lightforce rock lights mounted on the awning, and then two Lightforce rock lights flush mounted in the canopy door. So thanks so much to Troy from FitMy4WD and all the rest of the team at FitMy4WD for fitting out our Ranger. It's super ready for adventures. Me and Lil are going to hit the road and test this thing out.